इधर सब बीजेपी कार्यकर्ता इकट्ठा हो रहे हैं। देखिए आपको दिख रहा है, अगर आप यहाँ हिलाएंगे कि कितने लोग यहाँ जोश और उत्साह से मोदी मोदी चिल्ला रहे, बीजी कर रहे हैं, और ये चलता रहेगा। आज फिलहाल फिलहाल ये आज तो जैसा मातरम just like how the environment is in India, you can see it's similar here in UK. We all are very happy BJP is won under the leadership of Narendra Modi. More importantly, we're happy that India has won. It's not a victory only for BJP, it's a victory for entire India. The common man of India who is absolutely reeling from inflation, corruption, and absolutely no hope. And he has proved it. He has risen like a phoenix, proving everyone wrong. In fact, right now when I see the results, there is no opposition. I don't think any of us can remember last time when India did not even have an opposition. And that goes and shows the power of the person they call Narendra Modi from BJP. Everyone once more, Modi, 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 Modi.
Nobody in the history of Indian politics has been cursed, has been maligned by other political parties like this great man Modi, and he has proved them all wrong, and we wholeheartedly support him and congratulate him. He's a very honest man, he's a very patriotic man, he's a very efficient man, and I think he will, I hope and I wish he will, by the grace of God, he will set an example in India how to rule the country.
This is a historic election for India because this is a turning point for the dynastic rule which India has had for 60 years and not taken India forward. Modi ji is offering democracy, development and a corruption-free government for the first time.
I agree to the change of government in India. It was a long time, there was no change, and I accept it. And Modi will do the right thing for the country.
As the black commandos in the army would have said, mission accomplished. That's what Modi ji did. And it is the opening of Bharat, the real roots of India that will be revealed now. What our cultural heritage is, that will take shape. And Bharat will write a new chapter in our Indian history.
My name is Bhupendra Gandhi. I'm very, very happy. This is one of the happiest days in my life. And I hope Narendra Modi could do for India as he did for Gujarat. And I hope he will raise the prestige of every Indian overseas and we'll be proud to call ourselves Indians.
નરેન્દ્ર મોદી એ બધાને માટે એક આશા લઈને આવ્યા છે. આજે 12 વર્ષથી ગુજરાતના ચીફ મિનિસ્ટર હતા અને ચીફ મિનિસ્ટર તરીકે એને ગુજરાતનો નકશો આખો બદલી નાખ્યો છે. ગુજરાતના લોકોને જે ભવિષ્ય સુંદર ભવિષ્ય આપ્યું છે અને એની આશા લઈને આજે એ વિકાસની ગતિ પર આગળ વધી રહ્યા છે અને વિકાસના આશ્રય જ આજે આપણે આખા ભારતે આખા દેશે અને સર્વાનુમતિથી એને પ્રધાનમંત્રી બનાવ્યા છે. એ જ આશા રાખીએ કે આજે એ ગુજરાતને જે વિકાસ અપાવ્યો છે ઇકોનોમિકલી અને પોલિટિકલી પણ જે એને એનું ત્યાં આગળ આખું બદલી નાખ્યું છે એ સ્વરૂપે છે અહીંયા આખા દેશનું પણ બદલી નાખે અને સર્વની આંખો એક આશાથી એના તરફ મંડાયેલી છે.
देखिए, दो बातें हैं यहाँ. एक तो यह है कि ब्रिटेन की जो एनआरआई कम्युनिटी है उसमें बड़ा उत्साह है नरेंद्र मोदी और भारतीय जनता पार्टी की इस जीत को लेकर के. पहली बात तो यह है कि किसी को ये उम्मीद नहीं थी कि इतने भारी बहुमत के साथ नरेंद्र मोदी जीत करके आएंगे. और इसका जो दूसरा कारण है वो ये है कि पिछले कुछ वर्षों में जो भारत में होता रहा था, एक नॉन परफॉर्मिंग गवर्नमेंट थी, एक बड़ी कमज़ोर ताकत के रूप में हिंदुस्तान दुनिया भर में देखा जाता था. तो यहाँ ब्रिटेन में बसे भारतीयों को इस बात को लेकर के बड़ी शर्मिंदगी होती थी कि भारत में एक ऐसी सरकार है जो नाकाम कर रही है और तरह तरह के भ्रष्टाचार में लिप्त है और दुनिया में उसकी इमेज जो थी वो बहुत तेज़ी से गिरती जा रही थी.
Hello everyone, we congratulate Modi and his team by heart, and we are very, very happy and excited. Modi Sahib getting now PM of our country.